Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to apply for a job at Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website right here, citi.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So after doing so, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. So basically guys, to apply for a job at Citibank, you do not need to have a bank account at their bank, but it does help to have one. So what you can do is, if you do not already have an account open, you can open an account. If you already have a part of the bank account, you can just go ahead and activate it online by clicking the activate button right here and registering. So once you've got in your account, you can log in normally and then use the website and so on and get started using the bank. But now let's go and take a look at how to apply for jobs. Basically, to apply for a job, we have a very easy way to do so, and all we have to do is just go to this URL right here, jobs.citi.com. This is the main URL that's going to take you to the jobs available at Citibank where you can get started applying for. So you can search by keyword for any jobs, and you can search by location right here. You can go and take a look at all the jobs and future career areas that you can take a look at, such as finance, transformation, and so on. You can upload your resume and match me. So by uploading your resume, you can get started with taking a look at all the jobs you are available for and eligible for, and you can get started sending your resume to those jobs and applying. So with that, you can get started for applying any job that is available at Citibank and taking a look at what is available near you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.